Hi, my name is Peter from Multicolor Painting, and I'm gonna show you how to prep your garage to be ready to put down some epoxy floor. First, we're gonna be testing overnight to see if any excessive moisture in the concrete turned out good. So now we're gonna use some heavy duty degreaser to scrub it, and then we're gonna pressure wash it. So we have to remove the old concrete stain. Alright, so the next step, we're gonna etch the concrete, still prepping. Okay, now we cleaned, etched everything, pressure washed, dust off. Now we're gonna use the Rust-Oleum part A and B to fill all the cracks. So all the prep is done, fixed the bigger cracks, etched it, pressure wash it, swept it, let it dry out. Now we mix the epoxy with the actual paint, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we're about to start cutting. You have to check the temperature and the humidity. So we finished with the top coat. We're gonna let it dry for 72 hours, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna put a clear coat, the top coat of epoxy on the top of this. So as you can see, we put it on the epoxy coat, let it dry for 72 hours, and it just looks fantastic.